Tu benai you pi lawan hang ni.
Benai April.
Benai April. Kanu terik.
Arterik.
Ki ong kumno pi.
Yang ban join ni ki kat terik itu kat san.
Wan join kat terik. Te pi la dep ai pisah kan no ki.
Ai Arhajar.
Arhajar. Te hadin kata menta pat la si benai. Te pi fun ni ki.
Oh ngafun nama yang sa join kawan join apply te la dep fun tu apply terik itu pat yang wan join akunyo. Dapat punya terik pat perkala terik yang wan join si terik.
Te hapor wa pi akren pi ong ki ong ban ai job placement ni pi hai.
Yang benai 10 tua.
Ai 10 tawat. Te kemudian pi ki viewers ki perlok ki produk ki prasnam. Menta kesngi widon hang ne po Guwahati. Ha ka ba ki kat tu kat ni ki khana khasi ki jongi. Ki ba leng a ha ka jing wat kam wat jam. Bat ka don ka wei ka ba la terwa ki kam ki jam. Bala pen sepriang leng bagi kubur ha po WhatsApp. Badon kata ka kam security balaj. Bat ka don ka office ni si po Guwahati. Bat bapli kena kasih ki jongi ha ka jing leng a wat kam wat jam ban ai kam security ki ban phatri ha po polo ha po PB ki lawan thep kam sini. Bat ka ni ka agency ka baki ong menta hana ka dei ba sa ai kam ki ha ka khatsan terik jong u banai April. Tian rei kat hadu kini kisngi ha baki phone ru kim sim shu bat menta la shu sim bat shu bam ai ka pisa jong ini kena kasih ki jongi hana ha ka kerteng ban Pasuk uniform nam ta jongki bat menta pat ban kata ka job placement nam ta jongki rum ai su sakaweru kan katu kat ni kena ke bala ai lah hajar don katu kat ni kena ba ai ar hajar don katu kat ni kena ke ba ai ar hajar san spa de menta kini kena kasi na lor bagi leng awat kam wat jam mumdon jam sak thok sakum ni tingi wat menta bat ngi wan menta ban wat ke jing sisa la kan ni ke agency ke dei ni am ke ba sisa bat hatu kat nungut ki kena kasi kat kum ke jing tip ke jongi kalong ba lada ki spangut te tung ini proof mentang ini pensisa balada kalong kumnurung ni appeal ru ka state government ke sarkar Meghalaya namar bak ini kide ibreu jong ka jela Meghalaya kide samla wat kam wat jam nampo ke state ke jongi balada je ai nam tagi kena kasi balada ka hok ke jongki amla su ban yo ka sarkar Meghalaya kadai ban sim ke jing bakli bat kadai ban wat ya ke jing sisa bat pensitam ru ya kini kibreu ki badon kiti ha kini ke jing thok ke jing skor ya kini samla wat kam wat jam nang te nampo ke jat drew ke jongi ya le no office office agency security hah okay kan dua nak kedai gini ya kedai gini tak office
sama
hah
dua anak tak sama dua anak
gelai ong kita tracung yang mana tracung yang mana Malik
Apa?
kan
Malik.
can you help us we want to talk with them baik kini kadai ke jaka ke ba kini ki kena kasi ki jongi ki wan thep kam thep jam hang ni tiki kulare ki ban ai ka kam ka jam security ban trei po puluh po polis bajar de handai mentapat la sim ka pisa na ki kena samla ki bawat kam wat jam de mentapat kelak khang tala kani ko office tingi hap ban wat ke jing sisa ba manu ki badon keti ha kani ka kam thok kam syukur ya ki samla kasi
Fast food.
kadai hang ni ong ba wan thep kam pis ya ha yang lang channel
Fast food.
hah
Sekarang anak tu,
ha
anak kerja, anak kalau
Semua boleh.
dah.
Jangan apa lagi kami dia. Fast food. Duluan ya. Fast food duluan ya.
Excuse me, we want to talk with the house owner.
Buat stop.
Yeah, who is the house owner? Second floor. Merah. Huh? You are the house owner, nah? You are the house owner here. See, there is one office. The office for security agency provide a job for unemployed youth. No, we have number, but we want to know the exact detail from you. Their details.
New tenant.
Huh?
New tenant. Came newly.
Newly. They
Only
left
1
now.
month, only 1 month. We
And they-
also don't know what he was doing or what he was engaged in any other like this kind of work. We really chase this only.
Okay, so from your side, you do any inquiry?
Because I phone them, they are saying, they are picking up the phone. Okay. Girl pick up.
Huh?
One girl pick up. They not from them.
Okay.
Okay.
Because it's
They
a
are too-
it is a big cheating to the unemployed youth, no?
They said they came. I was for too late now.
Mhm.
Too late and just hang it on my gate. I was waiting there one week, 2 weeks, and then suddenly they came and then say we want to see the room.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So do you have their documents, officially documents? Because first of all,
They-
before you accept anyone to take rent, you should have zero copy.
agreement also with them also. Because then it newly came now because they are saying that I will give you the document. Like they are
Okay.
saying like that.
Because,
Now I can give you the number, but if the girl pick up, you tell her what you are going to say.
Phai chuyện này, phai chuyện này.
70026
700
26.
Okay, just wait.
Lo tu ni bina lah, oh.
Oh. Như mi iPhone na iPhone na. So how long they have been operate this office here?
Yeah, not exactly 1 month also not completed.
They will keep trouble for you also, no?
अभी क्या करें हमें बोल देगा कि हमको मालूम नहीं है नए न्यूली दे आर कमिंग वी डोंट नो इफ लाइक केस इफ देयर इज लाइक दिस वी नो
How come you give them a house without knowing them, without their ID proof? You did a big mistake, no?
I also don't know. No, they say they're placement agency like that.
We are from Shillong. That's why we came today here, and there are hundreds of victims of unemployed youth. They got trapped.
You give me a video. Okay. They're recording the video now. You're saying that.
Yeah.
I will send them to that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mother.
Oh, okay. Hello, mother.
What happened? What's the problem?
No, we asking for those people who operate this agency office here, but those people they are cheating.
No, they are cheating and they are, I know many. Yesterday also one girl came. She informed me that
Yeah.
they have called her on.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
They are not
That's what,
receiving the call also.
Uh-huh.
Now they are very new. They are 1 month only. They have completed. Yes.
Yeah.
So we told them to provide the documents, PAN card or some address proof or like that.
Mhm.
But they did not give us.
Mhm. Because hundreds of
Yes.
unemployed youth
Now only I
become
can-
victims now.
Yes. Now there are many frauds business are going on. Now only I came to know that they are not good ones. Yesterday we called them. A lady picked up the phone and she said that they are going into some troubles, some problems. So yeah, after some time they will open the office. Let's
And
see.
they just operate this office only for 1 month.
1 month. Yes.
One
One
month.
actually one anyway ask everyone.
Yeah, for one,
Once in a twice in a week, like that.
they have opened only.
3 days in a week, they just open it. They will gather lots of boys and girls came. All of them give them
Did you
money.
pay any money for?
Did you have any money?
Yeah.
Any money?
They asking money from these boys and girls that who apply that security post, no? So they asking 3,000 each of them They asking.
Did they pay?
Yeah, they pay already because
They have given them some receipt.
no.
No.
Hmm. Because they ask from Google Pay.
Or Google.
But there is a proof from Google Pay. There are,
To whom they are giving? To a person or to the company? To the name of the company or to the person?
people ba send ya ka Google Pay pi send ha. Rushimet ne ha company. Individual account.
Individual account.
Yes.
Alright, yesterday one lady responded. Let's see today again we'll try.
Okay.
And,
Because
tell them. And yesterday also my son he told them that many boys are coming. They are
Yeah.
asking about you all. But they said that they are having some problems. So
Because at the same time I'm a social activist, it is my responsible to take responsible
yes.
for.
Even it is as we are the owner, we also
Yeah.
have
That's
some
what I.
responsibility.
That's what I told your son that it's a big mistake from your side also.
I told them you give your address proof, identity proof. They said that we'll send by this one, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
But till now they have not sent.
How come that they run the office
I don't know how they are running. All these are
1 month already and the ID proof is not there? They will keep trouble for you also, no?
Yeah, that will be a trouble for us also. If they are doing like that. All people
So
will
from
come
now
like you
onward,
all.
you have to be careful.
Yes, I will have to be careful. They have not given any security office, they told us. On March 28, they have paid the rent for 2 months. Then March 28, they opened the office opened. April month they have they opened the office, and April whole month they did not open.
Okay.
Only few days they have.
So why from your side as a house owner you don't file an FIR because most of the unemployed youth they become a victim.
Of course, we will file, but today only, yes, from yesterday only, we came to know that they are. This is I think it's a fraud company also.
Yeah, it's a fraud.
Like that. So of course, we will wait for 1 week and then I will.
Okay.
do something.
So can I have your number? Because if you file an FIR also, we Shillong also will file an FIR, and you from as a house owner also you file an FIR. Then we will collaborate and we will work together, nah, to solve this problem. Because it's not about that money, but it's about for their future.
Future, yes, yes. They
About the
should not do
future.
bad things to the young youth, no?
We have to eradicate as a responsible citizen. Okay, can I have your number? So,
97021.
and that video also I will share the link through your WhatsApp. Yeah.
Forward them
We will make this video also viral.
viral.
Yeah. And for them also, from the government or from the police department, they will take initiative.
Not do that. Don't.
Okay, you give me your number, brother.
WhatsApp number yo.
Okay, you can save my number.
Give me high also.
700.
Give me call this phone.
No, this phone is not mine, no. You take my number, WhatsApp number, and you message me. 700 55 yes 39 443. You save my number p.s.lyngdoh PS link dot.
I'll contact with them, and if I get any news, I will inform you. You have given the number.
Yeah.
All right. I will inform you if I get any message
What's your
from them.
name?
My good name PS link dot.
Yes,
Yeah.
All right. We'll do that. Huh?
Okay.
From your
So-
side, you don't do anything because if you give to the police, if you give an
No, you
FIR,
can give to the police, but you don't have any proof now. You don't have any receipt or any.
No, that Google Pay.
Google Pay is the only.
Google Pay is the
only.
Yeah. So Google Pay it's a bank account. So I think if investigate, then there is a proof from bank account. Google Pay and
I will try to contact with them within this day.
yeah.
And
And
if I get any information,
Yes.
I will inform you.
And contact number of them
You
also.
will go to Shillong.
Huh?
Or you will stay in Guwahati.
We came from Shillong only.
You will return to Shillong.
Yeah. Now also we'll go back to
You'll
Shillong.
go back to Shillong.
Yes.
Alright. Within 1 week, I will get.
We
try
not
to contact
concerned
them.
about this money of this unemployed youth, but we concerned about the society.
Yes.
That this kind of thing should not be
Not go on. Yes.
go on this
Unsociable.
society.
Yes, yes.
As a responsible citizen, we have to take initiative step to eradicate all these things, no?
Yes. All right. Yes.
Okay,
I'll give you some. If I get any message, I will inform.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, all right.
Okay. Ya. Dah. Hah? Ya.
Kenapa?
Hah.
Tak salah.
Ni kedai kita ka office ka ba na kaliang jong ki katu kat ningut kila thok ya ki khna samla ki bam don kam don jam ta ka bong ai kam security hapo polo hapo pb ta ka ba sim bai uniform hna lai hajar arja san spa naki bat menta andala dep sim pisah naki khna samla ta ko ki spangut ki khna samla kila dep ai pisah haki menta kila suja bejelang wat ki trying rum don jiktep tengila dep kenduk bat ki trying ki ong ba ka ID proof jongki rum don te long menta kidang yelek ban persang ban wat dia kata te ngal tharai ba kala syam jing ba ban wat dia kata lat no stang na kaliang jong ka police department ba kadai ban tristem ban ngi kerpat ru ka sarkar meglaya namar ba phimla ban ai kam mi ki khun samla jongi ka penlong ni kena samla ban kelumar jing mut bat kin hap ngat hakum kini ki trap jong kini ki riusim kebu ngi kwa ba ka sarkar jela kadai ban sim ya ke jingkit kli ban ya trailang bat ke sorkar asam bat ke polis asam bagi dai ban rat dingkong ikum kini nah namar kata ngi kentu hang ni bagi dai ban sim kia mangi concern nam ta ka society kom kita ki responsible citizen ki nong song ki badon ke jingkit kli ngi kwa ba ka society jongi ba ka lawai jongi kun samla kalawai jong ka jaj ban riu kalawai jong ka jela bat lawai jong ka ri kadai ban singan bat balai ba kom kini ki kharoi na ka wei ka por se ka wei pat kajing karoi kalong namar balai nak kaliang ke jong ke sorkar kam ju sim kia la dalap ikom gini kenhun ki ba sim ke bui kena samla ru isukut kal FIR ka sakut tang office handai umjuk kem bat umjuk pen pau pertai umjuk plat bat ba de leng ba kan ni video bat leng ba kan ni jingwan jongi hadu hang ne po Guwahati ngi appeal saka government ngi appeal saka police department ru ba kedai ban sim kia bat dai ban threat mardor ikom gini ki briu ba kim dai ban ailat dalai ru ban kharoi ban sutit hang ne po ga imlang ke salang ke jongi ngilawan ban ya kendu ya ki trying ban ngilawan ban pet ya ketika office ka ba langat ki katu kat ni ki samla kasi ban ngila ban ong dagi spangut te lengka ka ni ka video nga kentu hang ni ya kitu ki samla kasi ki ba pilangat hang ni ka trap jong kini ki reusim kabu da ka ba kular ban ai kam ai jam ban sim pisa na pi hak kerteng ban ai uniform bat ai kata ka Jakarta ya pi menta pila syatok tekat gitu ki bala syatok pila ban message yang apa WhatsApp ngin sasna ka wei ka grup WhatsApp ban ya keren ban ya discuss bat ngin rat dingkong ki bekom kini ngim dai ban ailat ban kharoi hang ne po ka society ke jongi apo ka imlang ka salang dai e bangi perkat ya kata ka jingdu nong ya kata ka pisa ne ka hindai kwa ba kom kini kam dai ban kharoi hang ne po ka imlang ka salang kadai ru ka jingkit kli ka jongi bat lara kom ki nong snong idon ka jingkit kli ngai skam ba kana kalian nong sarkar kampam na kalian nong police department kan musong kli kiti apa ya debet kan ya kublai sibun te ini ru idai wei samla ibala ngat hakanika trap jong kini ki bathok ban aikam pidai nai samla
Paryong.
na paryong pidai jat yu
Paryong.
ha
Paryong.
jat paryong hi te nadu banai yu pi lawan hang ne
Berai April.
Benar April. Kan terik.
Arterik.
Ki ong kumno pi.
Yang wan join ni ke kat tarik itu kat san.
Wan join kat terik. Tapi lah dep ai pisah kan no ki.
Dapat Arhajar.
Arhajar. Te hadin kata mentapat lah si benai. Te pi phone ni ki.
Phone nama yang sa join kawan join apply te la dap phone tu apply tarik itu pat yang wan join akunyo. Dapat punya tarik pat perkala tarik yang wan join si tarik.
Te hapor wa pi akran pi ong ki ong pan ai job placement ne pi hai.
Yang berai Pulau Tawar.
Ai Pulau Tawar. Te kemud bad hapo Pulau Tawar hapo PB. Kemud bagi sutok menta layos ngong ong trying ong ba supli tang asni ke office. Snap. Kini ki breu ki wan pli ru kat kum gajing ekran trying kalong ba ki wan pli akan ke office. Tang si benai. Bat baru si benai umdon hiru ki suan pan yeng. Ki pli ke office tang laisngi sausngi. Iwan rai ki kena dah ke basu tok syukur ban mentapat ki lajak. Te ingat skam ban nakalian jong sarkat nakalian jong police department. Be ban pelat. Ya ki bakum kini ki noksim kabu hang ne po ki imlang kasalang.